Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the LG refrigerator door closure. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new refrigerator door closure. The door closure is located at the bottom of the right refrigerator door, and it helps close the door. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's damaged and the door is not closing properly. In order to change out the part, we have to open up the refrigerator door, and the door closure is located right down here by the lower hinge. We're just going to use the Phillip screwdriver to take out the screw that holds it in. Once you have the screw out, you can just pull the screw and the door closure out. Here's the old refrigerator door closure next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new door closure in, we're just going to line it up with the pin right here onto the hole and lift it up into place. Once you have it in place, we can put the screw in with the Phillips screwdriver. Once you have the new door closure installed, you close the refrigerator door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.